it's Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. Today the video is about Datsun 510. This diecast has been issued in variety of versions and it's still available for purchase from Metal Creation. One of the standout features of this 2025 Matchbox release is its a stunning sky blue color. The bold Datsun lettering engraved on the side give it a tough, striking look that really pops up. And I'm absolutely loving it. Plus, it's covered in sponsors logo that make it feel like a true rally car. For a basic diecast car, it's surprisingly sturdy and well designed. So if you're a long-time Datsun enthusiast or just getting into a Matchbox car, this is a new addition to your collection and that you won't want to miss. And the mirror arrangement is really sleek and holding it just feels good in your hands. Do you love the color, the bold look, or maybe the sponsor's logo? So let's talk about Datsun and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And as always, keep exploring, keep smiling